What's up, boys and girls? Today,
My name is Keyon. I was just making the pizza, but right now my mom got the gift. So we're gonna start off with my baby brother. He got some of the stuff mixed up. I'm gonna fix that right now. We're gonna start with my baby brother. So he got this toy. My mom is gonna show you. And then he got this new one. We have a green one. Just like that. And then my baby brother got the same color. So then my baby brother has a this looks nice. This a coloring thing. It could color things. We just like do something. It has each side we could color with. I don't know what it is. So now next we will do Skittles. He has that for sure. Okay, now my baby brother has a pencil in case he grows up for math. And then he got a little toy which is not real. It's like fake. Okay, now this is stepping up. This is a bag. So
everything bag মধ্যে তুমি নিতে পারবা.
So you could get everything in the bag. Sand. Right there. Close view for you guys. So now we're going with the armrest. Goes on his arm. But he's too young for it. So when he grows up, he could wear it. Another Skittle bag.
Next one.
Okay, next one. My baby brother has the same thing as the motorcycle, but a plain version. So now he has something. This is chalk. So we could like color on the ground, chalk. Or this is soap, I don't know. Mommy, what is this?
It's a chalk, yes.
So I'm correct. And then my baby brother got 3 toys. So he got a cat.
Close to view.
Cat. Cat. So
So cute.
now guys, I'm gonna move these off.
No,
And now look at the slime. I'm gonna put the cats on it. So guys, Ryan was playing this in the car. He dropped it. Mine is blue, so it goes in there. Now
Keyon.
we're going with my armrest. Then
সবগুলো বের করো.
okay, this one, armrest, this one. Then I took this. I wanted this. I like it.
Close to view.
This
যেটা
one,
তুমি বেশি লাইক করছো ওইটা close to view.
this one, and all these you guys know it. You do not see this close. Okay, and this is the Berkey section. Hear it? So now, this is the face. My dad is upstairs. 2 Skittles again, my favorite. And then, I have a yellow motorcycle, like your eraser. My baby brother's an eraser. And I got my favorite dinosaur. Leave a comment down below. I don't know what is it. A coloring thing, just like Ryan's bag, right there.
Same thing. Okay.
Same
Not
thing.
open this one.
So then we have against line
No,
sand.
this is sand.
I forgot. So now we're also going with my plane, like an eraser. Oh, I got another one, like a police one, as an eraser. And I got chocolate. Yeah. So now my video's over. So bye, guys.
Put everything inside.
So guys, now the video is not over yet. we still need to make something. Okay, guys? So, I'm trying to I'm not tired. Alright? I have a special way to put all my slime in. I just do this.
Please, baby.
Then I just slap it on. And then just...
And bedtime. Hurry
Here.
up and don't be late.
So now the video is over.
Okay. And then to me at a close score. And then to me. Bye-bye, bole diba.
Bye, guys. So now the video is completely over. Bye, guys. The video is over. Peace. Sorry for that vacuum noise. My dad's trying to fix my AC. It got broken. Someone put a candy. My baby brother, I know that. And my baby brother's sleeping, so he can't do his hand right now.
Okay.
But soon, peace.
Bye.